We are a team of scientists and clinicians who work in inherited retinal disease and in supporting individuals living with a chronic health condition and their families. We are associated with the Children's Medical Research Institute, the University of Sydney, and the University of New South Wales. We value the voice of those impacted by an inherited retinal disease, whether a patient, carers, family or friends, as well as their healthcare professionals. We are undertaking a James Lind Alliance priority setting partnership to identify the top 10 research priorities for the diagnosis and treatment of inherited retinal disease. A priority setting partnership is a structured process that involves a survey to collect questions that those impacted by an inherited retinal disease and healthcare professionals would like answered by research. We will then work through all of the questions submitted to identify which ones require research to answer. Then there is a second survey where those impacted by an inherited retinal disease and healthcare professionals are invited to rank the most common questions based on importance. Finally, there's a workshop where those impacted by an inherited retinal disease and healthcare professionals come together to discuss and finalise the top 10 priorities for research. Typically, research topics are dictated by the interests of researchers and the pharmaceutical companies. As our understanding about inherited retinal disease grows, it is important that we are focusing our efforts and precious research funds on what matters most to those impacted by an inherited retinal disease. The top 10 priorities from this project will be shared with funders, research teams and organisations, and the public, so that research can be as meaningful as possible to the people who need it. There are many opportunities to be involved in this project. You may wish to contribute to one of the two surveys, or both, or attend the workshop. You may also wish to contribute to the wider project as a member of our steering group. Your help in raising awareness of this work and sharing any of our findings will also be extremely valuable. Together, we can influence the future of research into the diagnosis and treatment of inherited retinal diseases. If you have any questions or would like to contribute to this project, please contact us at visionlosspsp@unsw.edu.au.